Hi there, students. To conjure up. Well, the main usage of to conjure up today is it means to make something appear as if by magic, to produce it out of nowhere, to produce it unsuspectedly. Let's see, to conjure up, to bring into existence as if by magic. Now, in the past, or even still today, you could conjure up a spirit, and this is more to do with the original meaning of it. You perform a magic ritual. Sorry. You perform a magic ritual and you conjure up, you summon up a spirit, you make a spirit appear. Yeah? But nowadays, more figuratively, we use it meaning to make something appear as if by magic. So the fridge was empty, but he managed to conjure up a delicious meal anyway. He didn't have any money, but he managed to conjure up enough to pay his fine. A fine, money, because you've got to pay because you've done something wrong, something bad. Okay, so it appears that the person doesn't have what is necessary, but they conjure it up. He conjured up a dictionary from his pocket so that I could look up the word. Yeah, I didn't expect it. We can also use this phrase to conjure up, meaning to call to mind, to bring something to mind. So this idiom conjures up the idea of mice being able to talk. Yeah? This idiom conjures up a very disgusting scene. Yeah, this word conjures up ideas of the countryside. It brings to mind. Yeah, evoke, if you like. Yeah, so yeah, this word conjures up images of a green forest, verdant, for example. Okay, a conjurer, a person, is a magician. There's a conjurer acting doing a show in the theatre tonight. He's going to do conjuring tricks. You know, saw a woman in half, or make cards disappear and reappear, or maybe he's going to read your mind. Yeah, a conjurer, a magician who does conjuring tricks. So what about the origin of this? Well, it comes from Latin, conjurare, or jurare, meaning to join people together by swearing an oath. And in Spanish, certainly, we have the verb conjurar, which means un conjuro, which is a spell, a magic spell. Yeah, and this is where the phrase has come from. Notice you conjure something up, you conjure it up. So it's a separable phrasal verb. Yeah, because I guess this is a phrasal verb. And also the verb to conjure is a regular verb. He conjured it up. He had conjured up several incredible things. Okay? So, to conjure up, to bring into existence as if by magic. Wow, that's magic, yeah? It could be a magic ritual to conjure up a spirit, or you could just be using metaphorically, it appeared out of nowhere. There wasn't a taxi to be had anywhere, and it was pouring with rain. But John went off, and 5 minutes later he had conjured up a taxi, produced as if by magic. And then something can conjure up an idea or an image in your mind, to bring a picture to your mind, to make you think about something. Okay? Now, what about formality? To conjure up, I would say this is neutral. Yeah, I would probably give it a 5 in formality. You could definitely use it in an informal conversation. Maybe you ask the barman to conjure up a couple more beers. Yeah. What about in very formal writing? Let's see. I think you could use it in very formal, in a very formal sense, although maybe it's a little bit informal. To conjure up, to make appear, to produce, to bring into existence, I think I would use. Or with the idea, to evoke an idea. Yeah, to produce as if by magic. Okay, so it seems I've conjured up another video for today. Well, maybe that's a slightly strained example. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. To conjure